Hey everybody, this is Gundy here. We're in Hanford, California. It is June 6th. Train 25 outside Hanford Station. Right behind me, train, Amtrak train right here. Actually, that train was supposed to be the 12 o'clock train. You know what happened? Signal traffic issues. Well, I look on my map, I have an Amtrak train 712 is far behind schedule. Well, Amtrak southbound train 710 is supposed to be arrived at 12 o'clock. You know why? It didn't. It's far behind schedule during freight traffic. I'm so mad right now. Now 7:50 just passed, and 1 hour with train, northbound train. I don't know what to say, y'all. I will keep more updated. Peace. Shoot. Okay, we got the southbound train running back on schedule. 7:10. Highball Hanford. 1 hour and 30-minute delay. I should make that 1 hour 46 minutes. Highball Hanford. That's 2005 in the front. On our blotter. 09. Speed up. Sorry guys, I'm dealing with sore throat. That ferry bus, right? Hey, that Amtrak ferry buses that took the passengers all the way down south to Bakersfield. The passengers just left the Amtrak train to be on time, but it didn't. Oh well. We got a southbound train coming up next. Geez, that Amtrak southbound train's still down there. It's going slow. Ah! We got a, you know what? The BSF would chew me up. I see it's a manifest down there. Let's roll. Eyeball. Oh, almost got stung by a bee. Hey. Man, try, are you gonna stop? Oh, that idiot. Try to walk through by the train. Okay. Let's move on. Go down. Thank you. Oh, Tropicana! Oh my god, got that orange car. Got refrigerator car. Oh well. There goes Manifest Freight Train, BNSF. With your Tropicana. What the heck is new for the Hanford Division / Bakersfield Subdivision? As you can see, the Amtrak train just made it 1 hour and 3 minutes late. And we got the SJVR down there at Crosswest. Down there. You see over there? It stopped there. The Amtrak has to make the train has to make a stop because passing the Amtrak train to pass. I'll give you more details. Peace. Go down. You too. West Watch. 712. Passenger Diamond. PHI. Oh, that train's smoking. Okay, we got the SJVR coming to Diamond right now, passing the railroad crossing at Phillip Street. I'm gonna get back a little bit. Reading and crossings are going down. Here it is. Ding, ding, ding. Hey, that's sure I better speed up. Don't you make a move. Don't. Idiot. What idiot? Finally! Since October! Goshen bound train. My first 24/9 train. I'm trying to say on Dowdy right now. There it is. Alright, peace out everybody. Gundy is out. Hi, this is Gundy here. We're outside of West Goshen, outside Tulare County in California. You hear that? We got a train coming on West Goshen. It's 9:31 a.m. right now. It's taking time slow. We're on West Goshen. It speeds around here, this area right here. See those tracks? That's our train we're gonna catch over there. Anyway, it's coming. And we're gonna chase this SWR 815 and all the way right to Hanford. Hanford through here. And here it comes. Alright, we got a SJVR coming in hot right now. I saw its light moments ago. Where was that? There it is. Darn, here a train track cricky crack. Yeah, baby. Go cricky crack. Wow. $815 junction. Hey train, you forgot something. You forgot me. Oh my god, the boss go whack heck off. I don't feel sick with that boss car right there. A car is better. Stop, don't you beat that train. This is Grangeville. I still can't get over the hawk. Okay, great. Gates, go up, please. Thank you. Those games are so old. If you're alright.